This image you're seeing on screen was generated using AI. This one too, and this blog that was optimized to rank on the first page of Google was also generated with AI. In reality, there's two types of e-commerce owners. The ones that are leveraging AI to 100x their productive output, their sales and their operations efficiency, and the ones that are still doing the 1x human work. In reality, in 2024 is totally unnecessary. So now you're maybe asking, why would you trust me? Well, I have 10 years of experience in the e-commerce world, and my current company does multi-million dollars in sales, is present in more than 50 countries. We actually sell baby diapers, and we managed to grow to these results in less than 2 years, competing with huge brands, as you probably know, in the baby diaper market. So the tools that I'm going to show you are the tools that are battle tested, that me and my team use to generate high quality ads, to convert more customers, to create better quality content, and of course to increase the operations of overall company. So without further ado, let's jump straight into my screen. I'm now going to show you the first AI application we're going to see, which is Midjourney. And you say, Midjourney is already typical, what's the new thing about this? The reality is not many e-commerce owners are using it the right way. So which way I want to show you, which is basically Midjourney allows us to generate images from text prompts. So you just type something that you want to generate an image, Midjourney will create it for you. The great thing about this is that Midjourney allows you to really create a strong visual narrative for your brand without the huge budget that you would need otherwise. So to give you a real example with my brand, because I like to walk my dog, this image was created with Midjourney. And as you can see, I'm not in the business of selling diapers. Diapers are absorbent papers. That's it. I'm in the business of selling baby comfort. I'm in the business of selling parents a good night of sleep because the baby don't give rashes and they don't leak. So I want to really transmit this and drive this point home with visuals. You can't do this without a visual, a strong visual. And in, let's say, 2020 world, then you would need to basically hire a photographer, a studio, an editor, a model, bunch of money to do this. Now you can create these images that drive home the point of the baby is going to be comfortable with Midjourney. So this is really the point number one that I want to stress about using Midjourney, which is reflecting customer benefits using Midjourney. And this is just one baby kind of riding a cloud, so you can see he's very happy and comfortable, but you can also say parents are going to also sleep much better once they start using Kimagimi, which I want you to pay special attention to this image because all of this was created using Midjourney. As you can see, this is the prompt: 35-year-old woman sleeping in a fluffy cloud at night, heaven holding a rectangular plastic diaper pack. This looks like a pillow, but anyways, we're going to use this in our second application. So let's go to the second application, which is Photoshop. And you're saying Photoshop is not an AI tool. Well, in the latest update, Photoshop released an AI feature that you can basically increase backgrounds and replace things in Photoshop. So I'm going to show you with actual results how this image that was generated in Midjourney and this product description that you're going to see right now, this product image, that you're going to see right now, combining these two with Photoshop, I was able to create this ad that you're seeing now on screen. As you can see, this is just the product description. It's the same picture, right? But it looks like the woman is holding it because we use Photoshop. You don't need training for this. I don't use Photoshop myself. I just learned how to do it in 30 minutes or less. It's super easy. It's a little bit, you're skeptical that you can do this, but in reality, when you actually start doing it, it's much easier. So totally recommend it, and a great way to create mind-blowing visuals like this one, so that you can really impress your customers or demonstrate that your products have a lot of benefit to it. As a matter of fact, you can save thousands of dollars with models, photographers, editors, and I dare to say millions of dollars, because in reality, you can also generate images like this one. A lion in Times Square with a baby, and the baby is not even petting the tail. The baby is petting the mouth of the lion. So imagine how much would you have to pay to generate this image in Times Square, full of people walking. As you can see, there's people in the background here, and a baby touching the freaking mouth of a real lion. How much would you have to pay for this? It's hundreds of thousands of dollars that you can now generate almost for free with Midjourney and Photoshop that are $30. So if you don't see the value of this, I invite you to close now the YouTube tab that you're watching this video on, throw your phone and dedicate your life not to e-commerce, to something else, because this is incredible that you're able to generate this type of images with $30. What you need to do to generate this image in real life? Get a lion in Times Square at night. Pay, I know, the zoo. You need to pay the zoo maybe $200,000. Pay the government of New York to allow you to do this, another $500,000. Pay the baby, the parents of the baby that allow you to take a picture of their baby touching the mouth of a lion. Impossible. So I want you to see the opportunity here. This is the opportunity. Not many brands are doing this and using Photoshop, of course, to embed their product in the image. As you can see, this little brave boy is using a diaper with this design. This I did in 20 minutes, so don't judge me for and this was one of the first ones I did. But you can see that design, that diaper design, is actually this one. So customers that know Kim and Kimi know this is our diaper. So this is exactly what I want you to see, and the possibilities are endless with Midjourney and Photoshop. Without much more information on the Midjourney and Photoshop combo, we're going to jump to the third AI. And the third AI I'm going to show you, which is ChatGPT Plus. Looks obvious, but not many marketers and e-commerce owners are using it the right way, or for me, the way I use it. I don't want to say the right way, I'm not the owner of the truth, I'm just going to tell you the way I use it. So, in this way, I created an example where I basically copied and pasted the product description of one of our products, and I basically pasted this and I said, create a Black Friday, Cyber Monday ad with 30% off for Facebook, including headline, primary text, and description. So basically, it created the ad without anything else that I need to do. It created a 30% off, magic of our cloud-like soft, eco-friendly diaper, no leaks and rashes, just pure comfort. That is pretty good, you know, for a 10 seconds effort. It's pretty good. So that's one of the first uses you can give to ChatGPT. The second use, which is also a big one, is asking advice, general advice. For example, my CTR, which is click-through rate, which is the percentage of people that click your ad from the total who saw it. So if 2 people click your ad from 100 people that saw the ad, your CTR is 2%. So it's just explain it plainly, the percentage of people that click your ad from the total that saw the ad, right? So you can ask for advice and say, my CTR is low, what can I do to improve it for Facebook ads? It will tell you all the different points, which is refine target audience, great advice, iterate creative assets, great advice, optimize that copy, great advice, A/B testing, great advice, ad placement, great advice, well, not so much, but anyway, decent advice, I would say, dynamic ads, great advice, frequency, decent advice, landing page alignment, great advice, timing and scaling, decent advice, engage with audience, decent advice. There you go, 10 seconds effort, and you already have a game plan of things you can do to continue improving your CTR on your Facebook ads. And then that's that's the marketing side and customer acquisition side of ChatGPT. But there's also a business side of ChatGPT, which is, let's say your supplier wants to increase the price. You can also ask GPT for negotiation advice to negotiate with your supplier. So you just say, my supplier wants to increase the price, help me write a persuasive message for WhatsApp, asking for support so I can grow. Hi supplier name, I hope this image finds you well, I want to discuss the reason, blah blah blah, and it gives you a really good compelling message you can send to your supplier straight away, so it helps you negotiate. And even if the supplier won't budge, in this imaginary case, you say, my supplier doesn't want to decrease, what can I do? And then it will give you options like explore bulk purchasing, long-term contracts, alternate payment terms, which if you suggest any of these solutions to your supplier is going to see the goodwill in yourself trying to work out a solution, and you might get a price decrease. But if you don't, at least you're well equipped with different options that you can implement straight away. So we're going to go straight to application number 4, which is Surfer SEO. I'm not a knowledgeable person on SEO, to be completely honest. As a matter of fact, this app saved me from hiring a content marketing person to basically be in charge of SEO. And this is the full replacement of a content marketer specialist that will allow you to create articles that rank one on Google without effort almost. So in this case, we're just for research for UA in English for best diet. And here I can see the monthly search volume and the keyword difficulty if I want to rank for this. So in this case, for example, this keyword difficulty 8, but in here I have like almost 3 times as more searches. So of course I'm going to choose this one if I had to. So not only that, this tool will help you with the content research, it will also write it for you, which 2 ways. You can write the content with ChatGPT, and then here, so Surfer SEO can optimize the article for you, or you can also write it directly here. So while I enjoy my yerba mate, which is the real life limitless pill, this is what Messi drinks. I'm from Argentina, by the way, if you're new to the channel. This is real life limitless pill, so much better than coffee and longer energy and more focus and more performance physically as well. So cheers. Not only it allows you to do the keyword research, but it will write the ad for you. As you can see, this article I'm ranking for best diaper to buy, and it wrote it entirely, and it's ranking 71 out of 100 SEO points, and for all of these keywords. And it gives you, of course, use one time, currently use 0 times, it gives you suggestions, and you can also auto-optimize this, so it basically added itself. Images, ideally you should use 31 to 37 images, use more images, use more paragraphs, try to use less headings. So it's a really amazing tool to basically delegate the entire content marketing and SEO efforts. So that was tool number 4. So now let's go to tool number 5, which is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a speech synthesis application which transforms your text into human-like. So this is especially useful for international brands. If you're a brand running global ads, then you can create realistic UGC ads by using and basically typing in any language. You can create the text copy with ChatGPT. For example, let's create one UGC testimonial for my brand Kim and Kimi in Spanish. So let's give it this prompt. Imagine we're running also ads for Spain, and this will give us the testimonial for this mother with Kim and Kimi. What I like to do is I will just copy and paste real reviews, so ChatGPT can also speak like my customers, because I want relatability. And if ChatGPT is generating this from scratch, it won't be as relatable as a real mother can be to real mothers. So what I like to do is I like to copy and paste real reviews and then generate it from there. So from here you can copy, paste in 11 Labs. This is saying I'm a mother of twins, so you need to go with a woman's voice. You generate speech.
Y siempre estoy en busca de los mejores productos.
And that's amazing. Now what you can do is basically use CapCut, which is a free video editor, stitch a couple of images and a couple of videos from your brand, and just use this as the audio. Add a background music to it, and there you go. You have an entire ad created from scratch. So this was basically the full rundown on how to use the 5 best AI tools in my eyes for e-commerce. I invite you to see another recent video that I posted, which is how to create an e-commerce brand from scratch, which also for e-commerce owners has a lot of the steps that maybe you missed from the beginning. So you might want to have a look at that to really make sure your product has 100% market demand, which is the most important thing. The product is 51% of your e-commerce success. So I invite you to see that video as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.